Hi, I'm Dario with 4seating.com, and today we'll be showing you how to clean and condition your home theater leather chairs. So first of all, we're going to need a leather cleaner, a leather conditioner, and 3 microfiber cloths. So we're going to go ahead and put the conditioner aside for now. We're going to grab our 2 microfiber cloths and our leather cleaner. So to get started, first we're going to throw a couple sprays, and we're going to clean a small area of the chair first. So we're going to go ahead and start here with the headrest. Once we have that on there, we're going to just wipe off some of the excess. And then we're going to continue this process throughout the whole chair. The chair we're working with today is called the Seatcraft Enigma. No doubt this chair is a customer favorite. This chair is stacked with features. It has power headrest, power lumbar, and even has the sound shakers built in. So we're using the 2-cloth method, and what this does, it allows me to evenly clean up the chair and then clean up any excess liquid afterwards. And using the 2-cloth method really helps absorb all the excess liquid that we don't want to leave on the chair. Remember, we're cleaning everything off right now. Once we put the conditioner, that's going to help condition and moisturize the chair. So now that the chair is actually nice and clean and prepped, now it's time to actually go and start conditioning. So I'm going to grab my new cloth. I got my leather conditioner. And I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to spray that on my cloth, and then I'm going to rub that into the leather, just like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, and that gives me time to actually hit other areas while this is absorbing. Since this is Leather 7000, by conditioning and cleaning it every couple of months, this is really going to extend the life of this super nice supple leather. And in this process, we actually want the leather to absorb some of this conditioner. So now I'm going to go back and just kind of wipe off some of the excess here. Just like so. Here what I'm doing is I'm flipping the cloth on its backside just to rub the excess off. Just like so. And I'm going to go back to the other side. Okay, now that our chair is cleaned and conditioned, you want to repeat this every 3 to 6 months depending on your use. So if you have any further questions or concerns, please visit 4seating.com, and thank you for being with us today.